Welcome to my channel WinChem. Today we are going to see PGTRB 2001 organic questions 23 are there. In that 90th question is addition of HCl to one pentene will give major product. They are asking major product. They are not asking only products. Concentrate on the major product. See, the pentene is a double bond is there. So in that HCl is going to add. This is electrophilic reaction. Okay. So in that electrophilic addition reaction. Okay. In that two things are there. One we can go by Markovnikov rule. Another one is anti-Markovnikov rule. The Markovnikov rule means we have to add H to the more number of hydrogen is there. That place you need to add the H. And the least number of hydrogen we need to add the Cl. That is the Markovnikov rule. And the reverse is anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay. See here, this is a double bond. H is there and Cl is there. This here two hydrogens are there. So this hydrogen is going to add to this H means that is Markovnikov rule. So we will get this product. This is the major product according to the Markovnikov rule. If you go by anti-Markovnikov rule, what will happen? The large number of hydrogen, where is it? They add a Cl to that. That is anti-Markovnikov rule. So this will give a minor product only. So they are asking only major product. So the major product is, this is the major product. That is a 2-chloropentane. Okay, 2-chloropentane. The answer is B. Answer is B. The next question is the correct order of basicities. They are asking the correct order. Thiophene, pyridine, piperidine. Okay, so three things are there. Everywhere the three things are there. They are asking the basicity. The first thing we need to see, basicity means what is it? The lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom which is available for protonation. That is basicity. Okay. The lone pair of electron on the nitrogen atom is available for the protonation. So here the C, in the case of a piperidine and a pyridine, the lone pair of electrons, see here, in a piperidine, that is sp3 hybridized orbital. So the lone pair of electron is freely attached. That is available for protonation is more compared to the pyridine. And in this case, pyridine, what will happen? This lone pair of electron is sp2 hybridized and is very tightly held by the nucleus. It is not available for the protonation. Okay. See, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it and click the bell button so that you will get all the questions also. Okay. So it's easy for you to get through the PGTRB exams. So you see that this is the main trick. I already said lone pair of electron. And the next one is pKa. If pKa increases, the basicity also increases. If pKa and basicity is equal, if pKa increases means basicity also increases. But the pKb decreases, then the basicity increases. It's reversely proportional. Okay. But here it is directly proportional. It is inverse. See, the pKb and basicity are inversely proportional, but pKa and basicity are directly proportional. Keep this in mind. Many of them making a mistake in this only. Okay, if pKa value is more, then basicity is also more. Here I have mentioned some of the pKb values. So in this case, the pKb of piperidine is very less. So this is a more basic. As I said earlier, this is sp3 hybridized. sp3 hybridized lone pair of electron is present in the nitrogen, so it's available for protonation is easy. So this is more basic. Okay, and the next is cycloamine, and this is N-methyl cyclic compound. Okay, and ammonia is there, and then pyridine, and then aniline, and then nitroaniline, and then pyrrole. So at last pyrrole comes, but here pyrrole is not there. Here the thiophene is there. Instead of pyrrole, we can make it as a thiophene. See the pKb values. pKb values is keep on increasing. If pKb value increases, their basicity order is decreases. So the more that is less basic is pyrrole, and the more basic is piperidine. Okay, this is a more basic and this is a less basic. And some of the compounds I would like to show. These are all them. See, the pKb values keep on increases, but these are all not at all basic. Okay, this is amide. Okay, this is a neutral compound. And the pKb is 20. This is not at all basic. This is imine. This is a cyanide compound. Okay. 24. These are all not at all basics. So the answer is first is piperidine and then pyridine and then thiophene. Piperidine, pyridine, and then instead of that thiophene will comes in this range only. So thanks for watching. Answer is B. Okay.